In this video, let me guide you through how to fix FC Mobile black screen. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, FC Mobile game will crash in the middle of loading if the connection became unstable. Drag down your screen to reveal some tiles. Open the settings on your phone. Scroll down and select App Management. Next, navigate and tap on the app settings, and then search for FC Mobile, and then select it. After that, scroll down and tap on Storage. Next, click on Clear Cache, but do not clear data. Now go back and tap on Force Stop, then confirm by clicking OK. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and check for updates for FC Mobile. Next, if an update is available, install it. After that, your game should now work without the black screen issue. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.